My name is Stephanie Hoff, and I am the CSI Work-Based Learning Manager. We are located in the Applied Technology and Innovation Center. So if a student is unsure of what they want to do, the Work-Based Learning Center can come in. We can sit down and have a one-on-one to help identify a career pathway that they're passionate about. Our CSI Work-Based Learning Center was previously Career Services, and we have continued those services, but we've added an additional connection piece with industry through a meaningful internship experience. Our Work-Based Learning Center meets with each employer to ensure that they will leave that internship with skills and tools that they can use later on as they continue their education or apply for jobs as they get ready to graduate from college. Our website is wbl.csi.edu. When you get to our website, you'll see a student section and you can explore career services, you can explore internships. If you are looking for resume help, if you just simply need to update your resume, you need to write a cover letter, if you are wanting to practice for a job interview that you have coming up, and it's been a while since you've interviewed, or if you've never interviewed, I would be happy to go through an interview process with you to help you practice. We have a CSI job board. A student can search a job by category, by type, to try to find something that they're interested in doing. I love to help students. I've always had a passion for helping students get from point A to point B. And nothing is more satisfying to me than knowing that I've helped a student on a career pathway, that they're excited about what they're about to embark on. We want you to be successful as you start your career journey.